So today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make language note cards with Lango. So when I'm done with class for the day, if I have all the objects that I learned today, I can go and make multiple cards at once. And so I'm going to create a new stack called transport and animals. And I can select an icon. I'll just take the animals one. And I can immediately go and add to it. And all I have to do is take pictures of every single item. And then I can have my teacher immediately make recordings for each one.
Okay, so ये गाड़ी कुत्ता घोड़ा चूहा जहाज रिक्शा बिल्ली भेड़ बतख बस